Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday, June the 25th, 2022. Yes, I have many troubles with the first puzzle because there are more solutions for this puzzle, and yeah, that's why I need more than 50 minutes. So, I don't like this. Letter Sudokus. Okay, so two puzzles are left, the Sudoku with 2 stars and the tectonic. Alright, let's get started with the 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 4759. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. And for 26 printed digits, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this second column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 and a 6 in this big square, so no 5 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. So the other 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. The 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8, and look, we have a 7 and an 8 in this row. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 2. Okay. Alright. Then the 4 in the first row, the 4 in the second row. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in this big square, so no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 it goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay. Alright, now 8, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Alright. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. Then. 2. I'm thinking. 2, 1, 1. 9. 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in the third row, 1 and a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7, okay. Then 5 5. Okay. 7 7 7 1. Then 3 3 3 3. 8 8. Yeah. 8 8. How about the number, let me see, 319 319 319 111 8 81. Come on, it's taking too long. 7. Interesting. 4 6 6 6 5 5. Yeah, 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 5 5 5. All right. 7 7 7 7. 2 2. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 2 in this big square should be here. 2 2 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be here. These two boxes are reserved for the 5 and the 6. So here can be 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. 1 1 1 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have a 1 and 8 in this row, so no 1 and 8 in these two boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. No, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8. And the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and then 9. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. Okay. Then. 1 1. 2 4. How about 7, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And we have one of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this column, middle column, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1. Okay. Cannot continue with the 1. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. 3 and the 9. 3, 9, and a 1. Yeah. 7. 9 and a 7. Cannot be a 7 there. Come on. 2, 4, 6, 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. 3. Come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column. So no 3 in these two boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3, 3. 8, 8. The 7 is also missing. 7, 7. 9, 7. How about those two missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 3. We have a 6 and a 3 in this middle column. So no 6 and a 3 in these two boxes. The 6 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 6 and the 3. So the other two numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. We have a double 6 in this row. That means that box cannot be a 6 anymore. This box should be 6 and that box should be a 5. 2 numbers left. One number left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be 6. All right, and all the 3s are used. I can see this number 3, number 3. How about these two missing numbers in this row? 5 and the 6, I've marked this. 5 and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 box left. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1. We have an 8 there. 8 and a 1. I've marked those earlier, but we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 1, and that box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8. And the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, how about these two missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. Then the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 9. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this 2-star Sudoku. And I've solved this. So I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.